Hello everybody, here we are at Fruitful Trees and we're doing a mango tasting today, and we have 4 mangoes that I recently got, and this is Noah and this is Ram, and we're going to be tasting. They're very different types of mangoes. I actually have only tasted one of these 4. Ram or Noah do not know the varieties of these mangoes, but I do. But we're going to be tasting them today, and keep in mind when we taste mangoes you can't get the exact likeness to just one mango because there's so many variables that'll change the flavor about when it's picked, how long it's been picked, even the tree it's grown on. You could have 2 mangoes grown on 2 trees next to each other. Even if they're the same variety, they might, they'll taste similar, but they could possibly have a different taste. Some could be sweeter than others, especially the weather determines if they might be washed out a lot or a little, and so on. So there's different reasons why they might not be ideal. So if you don't like these or you like them, don't think that's how they're always going to taste, but there's a good chance they will. So before we get started, anything either one of you want to add?
No, I'm just looking at the colors of these. So this really looks like, now I haven't tasted any of these, but that, just by looking at it, that looks like my favorite one, just
Okay,
by the look
by
of
the
it.
color. So looks mean a lot. 2 of these are very yellow, and 2 of them are very orange. So the first one we'll taste here, and we got water, so between each cup we'll try it. You want to take a piece of one of those?
Sure. Thank you.
Now this particular one is cooler. I had this one in the refrigerator last night. So very orange. We can go ahead and taste it.
A nice smell.
I did have napkins. I forgot them inside out. When I get some more.
Very good.
So when you eat a mango, it's helpful to eat it close to the skin. Some mangoes taste okay, but they taste better when they're closer to the skin. But this is just a delicious mango, in my opinion, all around. Great consistency, very sweet, but not too sweet. It's very nice. What's your opinion about that mango?
Excellent.
Excellent.
Really good.
Okay, what did you think about that mango?
I liked it. It wasn't bad.
Okay.
It wasn't my favorite, but it was okay.
Okay, so take a cup of water, everybody. Did you have it wasn't your favorite, but it was okay. What would you give that one from a 1 to a 10?
Like a 7.
What would you give it from 1 to a 10?
8.5 or 9.
Yeah, I would say a 9. It was that delicious.
Yeah, it's really good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. So the next one we'll do, I guess, we'll do this one because the color of this one is one of those yellow ones. So you want to take a piece of that one?
Sure. I'll take the little piece.
You got the biggest. And you see this? Okay, so this was greener on the outside, but let's try this one and see how it is. Possibly a little on the unripe side, but still a sweet mango. What do you think of it?
On a scale of 1 to 10, I'd give it a 4.
A 4. Do you think it was unripe, or do you just don't like the taste?
I think it was slightly underripe, and that makes a difference.
Okay, and what do you give it?
I liked it a lot more than the other one.
Okay, what would you give it from 1 to a 10?
I don't know, maybe like an 8.
Okay, okay. Everyone has a different
Amazing difference, huh?
difference. And then all right, let's go get some water here. I think that one was a little on the unripe side. So.
Yeah.
I kind of liked
Even
it.
if it was ripe, I don't think it would have got up another point, though. More
Okay.
than another point.
So let's try this one here.
And those look really ripe and ready, huh? Go.
I like these ones.
Okay.
These are just
Try this
mushy.
It's got a wonderful smell to it.
Wow, that's delicious.
Uh-oh.
Fabulous.
No.
That was fabulous. Wow.
Very good.
Very different than the others.
I think it was slightly overripe.
Wow, that was really delicious. What would you say 1 to a 10?
Well, I would give it about an 8. It's about the same as the first one. I like it. It's good, but I think it was slightly overripe too. It could have been 8 yesterday. Would have been better.
I would give that a 9. I think it was excellent. Excellent.
I
What
did
would you give it?
Not like it at all.
Did not like it at all.
No.
Okay.
Didn't like it.
All right, let's have some water and try the last one.
I already had water. I'm almost out.
Can you guess so far what each of these are? Maybe or no? No idea. Okay.
No.
All right, let's try this.
This one looks like it'll be a good one. I like the ones that are yellow.
Okay.
It doesn't smell like anything.
Hardly any smell on this one.
I like this one a lot.
Noah likes this one a lot.
I like the ones that are more sour.
Okay. And sometimes they're just sour, sometimes they're all right. What did you think of that last one?
It's okay. I mean, probably a 5.
5. Okay. So, Ram's very experienced with different mango varieties, but doesn't know what these are. And Noah's not experienced with many different varieties and doesn't know what they are.
Nope.
I know what they are just because I wrote the list out. So the first one, wait, which one was your best out of the
I think
four?
the very first one.
The first
which
one?
one was the first one?
I'm going to tell you now. What was your favorite?
The second one.
Okay, my favorite was, no, your favorite wasn't the second one.
Wait.
Your favorite was the
The yellow.
Oh,
the yellow.
the third one.
third one. Okay,
Wait, what was it? No, I like this one.
yeah. So we all had a different favorite. Ram's favorite was the first one, which I loved. I liked the second one the best, and then Noah liked the third one the best. So the fourth one came in last. So the first one was a cac mango.
Oh.
It was a cac, C-A-C. It's a great mango, and it's grows great. It's great productive, and it's very disease resistant. That was a cac mango. The second one, which was a Kesar, this was my first time tasting it, was a Kesar mango. Kesar, an Indian mango, very spicy. The third one, and I think we just had it unripe, is it's supposed to be some of the best ones out there, but this one just wasn't. But Noah liked this one the best. This was a Kathy.
Okay.
And then the fourth one was a buttercream.
Okay.
So these were the 4. So,
I think the cac was the best out of all of them.
well, since
This
you think,
one right here was
since,
a second
Since
best.
you think that, you can have another piece.
Okay.
I'll take this one.
Okay. You like that one?
No.
You like that one?
No. This one. No.
This one.
And which one's your favorite,
Okay.
Paul?
The Kesar was my
I like
favorite,
this
but I'm gonna leave this for you to taste. And that's another mango tasting. You get all these mangoes. I met various different places. I'll put the link below to where the different places that sell them. Today I got probably all of these mangoes at different places, but they're unique to Florida. You won't find these in grocery stores. You can order them online, or you can get a tree if you live in a tropical climate. Anything else you want to say about these?
They're all very different from each other. I feel like. Well, duh.
They were all very different, so that's, and we all like them different.
Yeah.
It's amazing our taste buds.
And you've got all of these growing, don't you?
I actually, the one I like the most, I don't have
Okay.
the Kesar, but I do have the cac and no, yeah, I do have the rest as well.
I like the buttercream.
The buttercream. All right. All right, everybody. That's another episode. Put your comments or questions below if you've tasted these, what your opinion was of them, and if not, some mangoes you do taste, and what's your favorite mango? Write them below in the comments. Until then, everybody have a great day and keep growing.